Hello, welcome to WooDelivery video tutorial. I'm Michelle. In this video I'm going to walk you through the basic features of the WooDelivery Driver app. The Driver app is supported across both iOS and Android devices, and the access is by invitation only. WooDelivery offers 3 mobile apps for driver, dispatcher, and merchant respectively. If you are a driver working for an organization, please install the Driver app with the red pin icon from App Store or Google Play. Once an administrator adds you to their organization, you will receive an email or SMS with a link to install the app, as well as the username and a temporary password that you will use to sign into the app for the first time. Once signed in, you can change the password on Profile page. You can also upload your profile photo on this screen. To begin your work, you must go online to report your location. Your real-time location will be tracked by your organization when you are online during the working hours. When you are off work, please go offline to stop reporting your locations. The main screen contains 5 tabs: Tasks, Route, Vehicle, History, and more. Tasks allow you to manage and view the tasks assigned to you in a list view. Route tab displays your route and tasks' exact locations on a map view. Vehicle tab allows you to manage the vehicle that is assigned to you. For example, you manage odometer logs, fuel usage, on-road expenses, log defects, and complete pre-delivery inspection. History tab lets you view all recently completed tasks, including proof of delivery and attachments. And More tab provides access to your profile, settings, dashboards, and other add-ons. Now let's learn how to manage and complete your tasks on the Driver app. All the active tasks that have been assigned to you show on the Task tab. For scheduled deliveries, tasks are sorted by the route sequence number so that you can simply complete them in the queue one by one from the top to the bottom. For on-demand deliveries and field services, you can customize the view of the task list by clicking on the Filters button at the top right corner. For example, group your tasks by due date. Sometimes your dispatcher may auto-dispatch new tasks to a group of drivers. Or when your dispatcher notifies you some new tasks, the app will ring you to show a list of new tasks waiting for assignment. You can choose to decline or accept any of these new tasks. If you accept a task from the list, it will be added to your task and route tabs. If you ignored these new task notifications, you can still browse them later by tapping the More tab and Waiting Task screen. To view the additional information of a task, tap a task in the list. Alternatively, you can tap a pin marker on the Route tab to view task details. The address and recipient information are displayed on the top of the screen. Tap on the Navigation button to navigate to your destination location using either Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, Here, or any other navigation app. You can set your default navigation app on the Settings page. Tap on the Call, SMS, or WhatsApp buttons to contact the recipient. You will see other detailed information such as delivery time window, quantity and weight, due amount, package list, job description under the destination address. To start a task, tap on the task you wish to work, then tap the Start Task button at the bottom of the screen. Your live location may be shared to the recipients when the task is on the transit status. When you are arrived at the destination, choose a completion status, either success or failure. If you fail to complete this job, choose a reason from the list or provide any additional information on the Failure Notes box. If this job is successfully completed, include any required proof of delivery options if necessary. The options seen here are defined by your organization, such as photo, signature, and barcode scanning. Let's do a signature and take a photo. Now submit the completed task with proof of delivery attachments. Then you can click the button to view the next task on your route or go back to the task list. You will repeat the process through the queue of the tasks. You can view recently completed tasks and proof of delivery attachments on the History tab. Additionally, you can check your work metrics on an easy-to-read dashboard. Lastly, let's walk through the in-app route planner and route optimization features for the on-demand deliveries. To change your delivery route, tap on the Route Planner button at the top of screen to open the route planner. You can set default start and end locations for your route. For example, your start location is the address of a warehouse, and your end location is your home address. To start a new route, tap on New Route button, and choose one of the following options: Today's tasks, Tomorrow task, All active tasks. You can simply tap the Optimize Route button to automatically calculate the best route for your delivery tasks. Additionally, you can manually drag and drop any task in the list, reorganize your route. Once you are happy with the changes, click on Save button at the top to view your route on a map view. Thank you everyone for viewing the demo today. We covered some basic features of the Driver app. Please feel free to contact our support team if you have any questions. See you next time.